Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted WhatsApp voice messages or restore deleted WhatsApp voice messages. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, I can open me and my friends WhatsApp conversations or messages. So open it. So first of all, I can delete voice messages or audio messages. So let's see, and then delete, and then select, and then delete, and then delete. And in this tab you can see I can delete me and my friends all WhatsApp voice messages or audio messages, but I can easily recover or restore. So let's see, minimize it and go to your Google Play Store, and then Google Play Store, open it and then search recover deleted messages. Recover deleted messages. Please install this app and then open it, and in this tab you can see deleted media, chat, images, videos, audios, voices, document, favorites. So you can choose and open voices. So click here voices, and in this area I can see my all deleted WhatsApp voice messages or all deleted WhatsApp audio messages recover or restore in this here, and then open it, and then you can see three dot line, click on it, add to favorite, share, info, delete. So first of all you can choose share, and in this time you can share your deleted WhatsApp voice messages or audio messages, share anyone, and then go back. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp voice messages or audio messages. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.